everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest here today with me. Isn't my mom. It's my mom. Oh. It's my mom. Today we are going to be doing the Whisper Challenge. We're going to be doing the Whisper Challenge today. If you don't know what the Whisper Challenge is, basically we each have 10 sentences that we say to each other. One of us has headphones in playing loud music so we can't hear what the other one is saying, and we try to read each other's lips and guess what they're saying.
Good.
You want to go first? I'll read your lips first. You do the first sentence.
Okay, ready? Ready?
I can't hear you.
Are you ready? Okay. Aria is such a pretty baby.
Aria is such a pretty baby. Aria is such a pretty baby.
Very good. Yeah.
That's hard because he's like singing in my ear and I'm trying to focus. It's really loud.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Ooh. Okay, go ahead.
Can you hear me?
What?
Okay, it's funny because my first one is similar to what she just said. Okay. Aria is so cute.
Aria is... Do it again.
Aria is so cute.
Aria is so cute. That is hard. Okay, ready? Okay. I'm not really saying anything.
I can't read anything.
No. I'm not really saying anything.
I'm
not really saying
anything.
Yes.
I'm not really saying anything.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. We built this city on rock and roll.
Okay, what?
We built this city on rock and roll. We built
believe we
built this city
barely Okay.
We built this city on rock and roll.
We barely? Okay, one more time.
We built this city.
I see we barely listening.
I had to change the song. Okay. We built this city.
We built this city
on rock and roll.
We built this city on rock and roll.
Yeah! That was struggle.
That was really hard. I kept hearing, we believe. We believe. That's all I heard.
Oh.
That's all I saw. Okay. Ready? Roses are red, violets are blue. Okay. Roses are red.
Roses are red, violets are blue.
Very good.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, this one's tough. Okay. Thomas likes Thomas likes tick-tock clocks.
Thomas
Likes
likes
tick-tock clocks.
Thomas
Likes
likes
tick-tock clocks.
Thomas likes
tick-tock clocks.
to talk a lot. All right, one more time.
Thomas
Thomas
likes
likes
tick-tock clocks.
Thomas likes to play soccer. Is that right? What was it?
Thomas likes tick-tock clocks.
Tick-tock clocks?
Yeah.
I would have never gotten that.
That was Austin's. Austin came up with that one.
Thank you, Austin. Ready? Money doesn't grow on trees.
Money doesn't grow on trees.
Oh, you get that one? Very good.
I'm good at this.
I suck.
Oh, music.
Yeah, music.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
My car is a pretty gray.
My car
My car is
a
pretty gray.
real
Pretty
My car is a
pretty gray.
pretty
Gray.
great.
Gray.
Gray.
What'd you
Gray?
say? Yes.
My car is a pretty gray.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. You really love chicken Alfredo.
You really like
You really love chicken Alfredo.
You really love fishing.
No. You really love
Love
chicken Alfredo.
chicken Alfredo.
Yes. Yes.
That's a fact. Okay. Trash cans are for trash.
What?
Trash cans are for trash.
Okay, do it slow.
Trash.
You have.
Trash.
You have.
Trash.
Cracker.
One word. One word.
Okay.
Trash. Trash.
Trash.
Yes.
Oh, trash? Okay.
Trash cans
Trash can
are for trash.
are full of trash.
Close enough. Yeah.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I said trash cans are for trash.
Oh, okay.
Close enough.
Close enough. Sweet child of mine.
Something China.
Sweet
Sweet
child.
child of mine.
Yes. Ah, she got it.
That was just a guess. Sweet child of mine.
Of mine. Oh, Adam.
Okay. Austin's
Sorry.
Austin's beard is getting long.
Austin's
Beard is getting long.
Austin's
Beard.
beer.
Beard.
Beers.
Austin's beard is getting long.
Austin's beard.
Yes. Yes.
Austin's beard
Is getting long.
is getting
Long.
long.
Yes.
Austin's beard is getting long.
Yes. Do I scream when I have these on?
No.
You do. Austin's beard is getting long.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. It's margarita time.
Something margarita.
That's what she gets. It's margarita time.
It's time for margarita.
Switch it.
It's
margarita
time.
time. Yes. Yeah, it
It's
is.
always margarita
Always.
time. Okay.
Go ahead.
Black cats are bad luck.
Black
Cats are bad luck.
black cats are bad luck.
Yes.
Did I scream that time? I volunteer as tribute.
I volunteer as tribute.
I do.
We just watched the Hunger Games yesterday. Okay. I have 3 dogs.
I have
3 dogs.
3 cars.
Dogs.
Scars. That can't be right.
I
have
3
3
dogs.
dogs.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, you do.
Okay.
What's cooking good looking?
What?
What's
One
cooks? What's
What?
what's yes?
What's
Cooking good looking.
cookie?
What's
What's
cooking?
good?
Cooking good looking.
Good looking.
What's cooking good looking?
What's good? Good looking.
close? Close. What's cooking good looking?
What's cooking? Good looking.
There, very good.
That
Thank
was a
you,
good
Zach.
one.
She got that.
That was a good one.
That was from your brother.
I like blue skies.
I I like blue socks.
I like blue skies.
I like blue
Skies.
tights.
I
I like
blue skies.
blue tags.
I like blue skies.
I like blue.
Do you hear yourself screaming?
I like blue
Skies.
size.
I like
I like
blue
blue
skies.
socks.
Skies. Skies.
I like blue
Skies.
ties. I don't know what that word is. I like
blue
blue.
skies.
I like blue ties.
Okay. Do you give up?
Yeah, I give up.
Skies.
Oh, skies. Oh, God.
Okay.
Okay. Life is like a box of chocolates.
Knife.
No.
No.
Okay. Life
Life
is
is
like
night.
like
Like
a
a
box
bite.
box of chocolates. Life
Life
is
is
like
like
a
a
box.
bite.
No. Box. Box of chocolate.
Bite of chocolate.
Box of chocolates.
Life
Life
is
is like
like
a
a
box.
box of chocolate.
There you go.
Okay, she's not gonna get this one. This one's for you, Austin. Okay,
What?
ready? Clouds are wax sauce.
What?
Clouds.
Loud.
Clouds are whack sauce.
Something are
Whack sauce.
whack. Whack? Because I use that word all the time.
Clouds.
Loud. All I see is loud.
Clouds.
Lousy.
Clouds are whack sauce.
What? Something are whack
Sauce.
sauces.
It's clouds. Clouds. Clouds.
I can say lousy.
Clouds.
Houses. I'm convinced you were saying houses.
Are whack
Are.
sauce.
Are whack to Austin?
Clouds are
Are
whack sauce.
I have no clue what you are saying.
Do you give up?
Yes, I give up.
Okay. It's clouds.
Clouds, okay.
Clouds are whack sauce.
Thank you, Austin, for that.
Yeah, Austin came up with that one. That is that is the end of our whisper challenge. I think I won.
Probably.
I'll put the score right here.
She won. Oh.
Stay tuned. I do have another video planned with her coming soon. I will be doing her makeup. Subscribe if you enjoyed and you want to see more content like this. Like I said, I will have her in more videos. I'll be doing her makeup. Maybe we'll do more challenges. If you didn't go see my other videos, I did 2 videos with my husband. I did his makeup. We did a husband and wife challenge. And then my last video, I also did a makeup tutorial on one of the Morphe eyeshadow palettes. So go ahead and go check those out.
So pretty.
So, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all laughed as much as we did. Probably not.
Probably not. No.
But I will see you all in my next video. Bye!